class 10th. I hope you must have done your 2.1 and 2.2 assignments were sent to you by Harman sir earlier. Now I am going to take up the next topic, division algorithm for polynomials. If you have any problem in 2.1 or 2, send me personally also. I will take up your problems. Now let's start with division algorithm for polynomials. Though you have learned this division algorithm of polynomials in your 9th class also, today I am going to take this concept in detail. In this class you have to do it in detail. I have taken an example here to explain this in proper form. Now divide this polynomial by the given polynomial. Can you see this polynomial, the highest degree of this polynomial is what? 3. And the highest degree of this polynomial is what? 2. So this will be the dividend and this will be the divisor. Always the dividend's degree should be more than that of divisor. Now can you see they are not in decreasing order of the powers. So to divide them, first of all we have to bring both of them, both dividend and divisor, in the decreasing order according to their degrees only, powers only. So this is minus x cube here, plus 3x square, then minus 3x plus 5. I have written it in decreasing order according to their powers. Now similarly this divisor is also to be written in the decreasing order of the according to their powers. So minus x square, then it is plus x here, then minus 1 here. Now let's start divide. This is, I have with me minus x cube I have to make, but I have with me minus x square. Minus x square is to be multiplied with what to make it minus x cube? Naturally x. So minus x square into x becomes minus x cube. Now rest numbers, whatever are they, are definitely to be multiplied with x 1 by 1. So x into x square should come under what? This. So this is plus x square. Minus 1 into x minus x will come under this, minus x. Now let's change the signs. On changing signs, it's become plus, minus, plus. Cancelling here, plus x square minus x square, 2x square, then this becomes minus 2x and nothing is here, so this becomes as it is. Now again, I have with me minus x square, I have to multiply it with such number that it should become 2x square. So minus x square is to be multiplied with what to make it 2x square? Minus 2. So minus 2 into minus x square, 2x square. Minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Minus 2 into minus 1, plus 2. Now again changing signs, again this will be cancelled. And this minus 2x plus 2x again will be cancelled. Plus 5 minus 2 becomes 3. So now what is this 3? This is your remainder. Now I have to do one more thing here. I have to verify this division algorithm. Now to verify the division algorithm, what is it? You have done it even in your 5th class also. There is verification as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now divisor here is this, quotient is this, and remainder is 3. So let's do it. I have taken it divisor into quotient plus remainder. Multiply these two. I have multiplied them, plus 3. Now add according to their like terms. You get this polynomial, and what is this? This is a dividend. This you can compare. This is a dividend. So this is your division algorithm. You will get questions on this also. Now another thing is you will get question in your 2.3 to check whether a given polynomial is a factor of another polynomial or not. This can be clear how? This can be clear to us if the remainder, remember, if the remainder is 0. Here remainder is what? Here remainder is 3. So this divisor is not a factor of dividend. But if it will be 0, if sometimes you are dividing and you are getting remainder 0, then definitely divisor will become the factor of dividend. So you will get a second question is this in your exercise 2.3. This is to check whether the given polynomial is the factor of this. So divide them there. If you are getting remainder 0, you will say that divisor or gx is a factor of px, otherwise not. Now another concept, number of zeros of a polynomial. This also you have done in your 9th class. You should know that if a polynomial is of degree 1, it has 1 0. If it is like I have given you examples also, this is 1 degree polynomial, so has 1 0. Quadratic polynomials that is having degree 2 has 2 zeros, and though they can be equal also. Now cubic polynomial you have learned in your 9th class to find out their zeros, and you have seen that there are 3 zeros of cubic polynomial. Similarly, quadratic polynomial, that is a polynomial having highest degree 4, has 4 zeros. Now we are going to do one question to find out how to find out the zeros of such a biquadratic polynomial. Now see, find all zeros of this polynomial. Can you see the highest degree of this is 4, so this is biquadratic polynomial. Given is that 2 of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. 2 zeros you are given, 2 more you have to find out because this has 4 zeros. Now, root 2 and minus 2 are zeros you are given. Whenever whatever zero you are given, change its sign, it becomes factor. That is, if root 2 and minus 2 are zeros, it means x minus root 2 is a factor and x plus root 2 is a factor. Now these two are factors. Multiply these two factors. I have multiplied them here. This is here. Now the new number or the new polynomial you are getting is again a factor of the given polynomial. This I have written it here. Now to find out 2 more zeros, what you have to do, you divide this polynomial with x square minus 2. I have shown it how to divide. You can see it yourself by pausing the video. Now this is the since we are dividing this with its factor, so definitely we should get remainder 0, which is 0 here. Now this is your quadratic polynomial. The middle term splitting method will help you to find out 2 more zeros of this. So I have taken the quotient, middle term splitting method I have done. You can see it by pausing the video again. And now these are the two factors, putting them 1 by 1 equal to 0. This I have done here. So 2 more zeros you get 1 and 1 by 2. So 4 zeros are root 2 minus root 2, 1 and 1 by 2. Now do your exercise 2.3. You can do all the questions except if you have any problem, send me personally also or on the group also. Thank you.